Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video,
Well, hey
and we'll
family,
talk soon.
happy Monday Eve. This is Darlene. I'm still sitting here working on bracelets. I'm really digging the turquoise mixed in with the red, and I went ahead and went real boho-ish on these with the charms. So we got some token charms, got some custom charms on here. Went ahead and added some clay beads, wood beads, glass beads, hex nuts, a couple of metal beads, yellow, not yellow, but silver and gold, and just really came up with something just kind of real boho-ish. I really like these. Just really nice. And I think what I'm gonna probably do is run out tomorrow and get some more of the turquoise beads, see if I could find some, or order some off of Amazon. If I can get like a next day type delivery. Who was that saying that Joann's got beads $3.99, three for $10, so $2.99. I think $2.99, three for $10 or something. Somebody's channel I was watching, and they were saying Joann's has the beads for three for $10. So I might go out there tomorrow and see if they got some big ones like this. I have gotten them at Joann's before. The only thing with that is when you get them at Joann's, with the bigger beads like this, the bigger haloid beads, it's like maybe three big ones and then the rest are small ones like this. So my thing is I want a lot of the bigger ones. So I'm gonna just kind of go through Amazon tonight and see if I can find some with the where I can get the bigger ones, the bigger beads like this, as opposed to just having two or three big ones and then the rest of them be small like this. But anyway, this is what this is. I was sitting here listening to an audiobook, so I wasn't recording. I didn't feel like we're talking and doing all that because I was listening to the audiobook. But this is what I came out with. Something really cute, really nice, very boho-ish. Let me know what you think. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jury by BDK, and guess what? We'll talk.